Hey guys, so I'm currently in Prague and I'm just basically looking for accommodation. So the place I wanted to stay, which was one place like that, and it was really good, and the price for the accommodation was 450 euros or pounds, yeah. So I was cool with it and I was ready to get the place and move in and all of that. But the crazy thing now is that I got to find out that they are requesting for 3 months rent as deposit. Like, who the hell does that? 3 months rent, that means I'll be spending about 2,000 euros, because if I pay the 3 months deposit, 3 months rent as deposit, and then I will still pay another month rent, that's like a lot, and I didn't have that kind of money. So that's I'll be paying times 4 of the rent just to enter first of all. So I just said, you know what, I don't have that kind of money, let me look for somewhere else. So currently I'm just sourcing other options. One of the places that I'm currently sourcing is the place I formerly stayed, which was Vetrinic. I'm currently sourcing that one to see if I would get a place to stay, and another one too, which is a bit better than Vetrinic. So I was just basically coming back from the accommodation office, and they're kind of like on break. So I'm supposed to go back there like 40 minutes later. So by 40 minutes time, I will just go back there. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just waiting, and let me see if I would get the place, and I'll basically let you guys know how it goes. So yeah, let me show you the exterior of the places that I'm looking at. So this is part of the accommodation. You can't see it very well, but yeah, this is like one of the entrances of the place and all of that. This is like one of the entrances. So that's the place I'm kind of trying to get, and let me see. And especially I'm just kind of being really neither here nor there, especially because I need to travel, make a lot of travels and all of that. Like, is it really worth it? Just pay rent and just be traveling, leave my room like that? I don't know, but I'm just looking at it. I'll let you guys know the option that I finally pick. It even has a police station here. What? So guys, I managed to make a reservation for an accommodation from my school portal, and so I'm going there now to try to get the key or something. And yeah, because the last time I was there, they asked me if I had a reservation, and so what I did was to go through my university portal and then made the reservation. And yeah, I'm going to the office right now to try to talk to them and try to get my keys and all of that. Oh my guys, that woman is so rude, the lady that attended to me. So I got there and she's like, I was like, okay, I have a reservation, and she's like, where's your reservation? And so I was searching through my email to show it to her, and she was like, hey, if you don't have your reservation, just go to the other side and wait until you bring out your reservation. I'm like, I was just looking at that like, she where they do you need? What's wrong with this one? Because I'm the only one there. Like, there's literally nobody, and she just shouted for me. I should go out. I should go to the other side and go. I'm like, why the heck are you shouting? I was just looking at her, giving her that look. You know, when somebody is shouting for you and trying to do all those type of things, and you are just looking at the person as in wondering if the person is mad or something. So that's how I was just looking at her. I was just looking at her. That woman is known to be very rude. Like, she's very, very rude. Like, very rude. So I was just looking at her. I'm like, what is wrong with this one? Why the heck? So I'd not moved anywhere. It's me that she's talking that rubbish to. So I just stayed there until I brought it out, showed her my reservation. She said, the payment, this thing, yada yada, that she has to email the account office to find out if I've made it. I said, I've made my deposit. See the evidence, see the everything, and all of that. She's still just there talking rubbish and all of that. I'm like, wow, okay, no wahala. She's like, okay, you've made your deposit, that I should go, then I should come back by 1 o'clock, and by that 1 o'clock I should come with my passport. What else also? I think she also asked for student ID, and after that, student ID, passport, and something else. I can't really remember. But student ID, passport, study confirmation. That I should bring them. I was like, okay, no while. I'll bring them. She said she come back by 1 o'clock. And she's just rude. Like plain rude. God, I've never seen somebody. Like, she has always been rude. As if I'm just going back there by 1 o'clock. I'm just going there to also go and give her the same rudeness. Because it's not like I'm giving her the same rudeness, like just giving her the same energy to match up. If she tries to just be rude, I'm just going to give her, match up that same energy to her, because she just needs to be rude and always shouting at somebody for damn no reason. So anyways, that's just it. So I'll go back by 1, and yeah, let's see what would come out of it. Hopefully something positive comes out of it. Like, yeah, I need to get my keys and go to my room, because I've not been staying in my room. It's like 1 week and I've been staying in someone else's room. I just need to get it and move to my room. Yeah, so I just need to get it and then move to my room and start life basically. So that's just it. When they give me my keys, I'm just going to carry it by one. But that woman is damn rude. If you're rude to me, I'm going to put you in your place. So yeah, so guys, I'm going to see you guys later. So guys, I finally got the place. They have confirmed my payment, and then they actually did give me the details, and then they've asked me to go to the reception to get it, and so that's where I'm going to. And if you see the dragging back and forth, I probably think I'm just going to tell you later. Guys, I have finally gotten my room, and if you see back and forth, so they actually asked for a confirmation of studies, and I gave them the confirmation of studies that my school gave to me. And that confirmation of studies, what is written on it is confirmation of entity receiving me, that kind of something. And then they wrote the purpose of my stay, they wrote education with Charles University, yada yada, all those details, my course details and all of that. They wrote everything there. Just that it was bearing confirmation of entity receiving me and yada 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 and things like that. Now, I sent it to them because that was the last time when I asked for confirmation of studies. That's what was given to me, and I sent it to them. They said, no, it's not. We're just going back and forth, back and forth. I gave them my IC card, which is my student ID card, and passport, other details. They were just going back and forth, back and forth. I'm like, you have my student passport, you have my passport, you have my student ID card, you have what's it called, the confirmation of entity receiving me, which states my course, the school that is receiving me, which is Charles University and everything. So what else are you looking for? They said they need it to be written confirmation of study. I was like, a big confirmation of education or something like that. I was like, which kind of wahala is this? We were dragging, like going back and forth. It seems the guy that was there with her told us something, which was that I reported them one certain time again to the accommodation office. So she just calmed down and she was just being all nice. I beg, I'm just so tired, but I've gotten a place now though. Let me go and check the place out. Hey, I can't believe it appears this somewhere 6, 7. Yeah. So oh my god. Oh my god. I think I like the place. It looks cool. It's not that bad. I like the place. Like, yeah, it's cool and I like the view. Anyway, so let me just show you guys. So this is the view. I've not removed the curtain. This is the curtain, but this here is the view. This is so beautiful. Like, I love this view. I love everything that I'm seeing here. It's so beautiful.